Hello guys, and today I'll be showing you how to make a GFX really quick, really easy. All you will need is the Load Character plugin, Cinema4D and Roblox Studio. And you will also need the rig, which will be in the description along with the plugin link. First you want to get out the Load Character plugin and write in the user you want to use. After that you want to right-click on the username in Workspace and press Export Selection and save it somewhere safe. When you go into C4D, click Open in the top left and find the Lightroom, then delete the null character and go back to File, then merge the OBJ file from your character. Use the settings I have put in the tab, pause if you need to. Once your character is in, you can rotate your character to face forward by changing the H-axis to 90 degrees. Afterwards click the missing material in the bottom left corner, then the three dots where texture is, and find the texture for your character. It will look ugly and blurry, so click Editor in the right panel and click No Scaling. And voila, it looks perfect, but before it can look its best you need to delete everything except the accessories. Hair included. Then you want to click Open and find and insert the rig, it will be linked in the description. Once it's in, you want to rotate it again, then delete the hat that comes with the rig and change the texture back to the one your original character had. So here I've just sped up this clip of me posing the character. You can click on the green things and use the rotate tool to bend the bones and use the move tool to move them. So once you're done, you can use the render view to preview it and render to picture viewer to see the final render. Once done, you can save it somewhere safe, and start editing. Since this was a quick tutorial, I'll be doing an in-depth video soon on how I properly make my renders. But anyways, I hope this helped. And if you have any questions you can ask me in the comment section or contact me via Discord or Twitter, which will be linked down below also.